All right, this is tutorial 1 of the drawing series, 2 tutorials in this series, and this is how we're going to create our working drawing that we're going to need as we move around the shop making our projects. So the working drawing is created by heading up to the top of your browser tree and right-clicking. And when you right-click, you select Create a Drawing. So do that, and then you're presented with the Sheet Setup menu. So we're going to draw the entire assembly. That's the first part. And this has to be picked, ASME. If you pick ISO, your sheets will all be, your sheet sizes will all be metric, and our printer won't like that because our printer is set up for Imperial, so our classroom printer. So make sure it's on ASME. The units are inches that we're working in, and we're going to head down here to sheet size. And we're going to pick 11 by 8.5. This is landscape mode. So we'll click that. All right. Now, push OK. And what's going to happen is it's going to take a little time to think. I think your computers are faster at that than mine for some reason. And then what will pop up is a new tab. It won't be titled yet. And a sheet will appear. Here we come. Okay, there it is. This is a technical drawing setup where we actually have a title block and a border, so we'll leave that. And you see something attached to my mouse right now. It says place base view. Well, what I want to do is place a base view, so I'll place it here, click, and then over here I can make some adjustments. One of the adjustments is scale. This is how many units on the drawing equal how many units in real life. So right now, 1 unit on the drawing, or 1 inch on the drawing, would be 8 units in real life. So we're going to change the scale, and we're going to go try 1 to 4. That looks like it'll work. We push OK. And now this is the front edge of my cutting board. It doesn't look like much right now, but I'll show you in a second. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and project up here, project views from our base view. So click that button, pick the base view, and then push up like that. Now it doesn't matter if it goes off the page right now. We'll just put that there and click again. And now head down to the view and move to the right and click there. And then the last one we're going to do is we're going to go up here to a 3D view up in the 45-degree sort of angle. Click there and then push enter. We're done placing views. The first one I'm going to attack is this one in the upper right corner. Double click on it. We're back at the same menu, but this drawing up here can be different than these 3, the front, the top, and the right hand view. So this one up here, we're going to make it smaller. Oh, that's the wrong way. 2 to 1. Where is it? There it is. Oh, that's wrong. Well, oh, smaller. Did I say smaller? 1 to 8. You're laughing at me now. Stop laughing. Okay, so we'll make this 1 to 8, and then we'll shade it like this. And then we'll push close. So that'll be up here. This just gives us a nice perspective of what this is supposed to look like. This view, this is called orthographic style drawing, and it's showing us straight on views of the workpiece so that we can actually put measurements on here that are easy to understand. So what we're going to do is click this base view down here and drag by holding this little gray box a little bit. We're trying to place the views pleasingly on the page while leaving enough room to put all the dimensions on that we need to put on. Alright, so if I were to make this cutting board, I need to know some things. So one of the things I need to know, I think that's all I was going to cover in this video. That's it. So I'm going to call this one done, and then we'll do the dimensioning in the next video. That was short and sweet. See you in the next video.